Okay, let's move on to the news here. Speaking of 100,000, listen to this, guys. This is key. Bitcoin bulls are betting on $100,000 to $200,000 price, according to options open interest. Now, you may be wondering, how long off is this? Because that's the thing when you see a lot of this stuff. A lot of this stuff that you guys see, you see the price, and you're like, when is it going there? And they're like, we don't know, maybe it'll get there one day, But here it actually says, which is interesting. Options expiring on December 31st have faced a strong spike in open interest after Bitcoin swiftly dropped to 59K. The options open interest is mostly distributed to call options rather than puts. People are expecting a higher price for Bitcoin. Options currently have over 12.6 billion in open interest. Let's see. For options expiring on the 31st of December, we can see a huge dominance of call options. The Bitcoin bulls are betting big with open interest in clusters at strike prices of $100,000, $120,000, and $200,000. And you know what's really, I hate when you just click on this thing and it opens. What's really interesting here is that $120,000 mark is definitely one to watch. I think it's in between those two that we hit. I said I think 108 will probably see about where this thing stops at, but it certainly could go up to around $120,000 very quickly and then drop back down. What I said was, what is the spitting joke?
Where
everybody's like, stop spitting on mmcrypto. Or stop spitting on Chris. What was the joke about that? If somebody could explain that in the chat, I would love to see that, because I don't know what that. Look at that pun any vampire comment. I can't even say that. My gosh.
Well, it's getting
pun any.
It's getting rowdy in the basement.
It is getting rowdy in the basement. I've been noticing. I love the basement. We love our Twitch people. We love, yeah. We love our TikTok viewers. We love our YouTube viewers. Let's see, $1.3 billion betting on Bitcoin. There's $1.3 billion betting on Bitcoin to go above 100K. So very interesting stuff. We have India banning Bitcoin for payments, but they're going to legalize it as an asset. Hey, sounds good to me. You guys know a lot of my opinions on that. Do not believe that it is a currency. I think it is a commodity, an asset similar to gold. Did somebody explain it? People were laughing at mmcrypto. Why were they laughing at mmcrypto? Why were they spitting? I don't understand. Van Eck Bitcoin Futures ETF ends first. Are you eating a bar right now?
Yeah.
That was the loudest bar open I've ever heard.
Well, I muted myself so the audio wasn't.
Yeah, well, I can hear it. It's like in my ear. I'm hearing the crinkly.
Now everybody can hear it. There you go.
Okay. Just open it.
It's done. It's open.
Thank God. Now
got to get my protein.
I'll put it in your mouth. Van Eck Bitcoin Futures ETF. Put yourself on the screen so they see you put it in your mouth. Yeah.
I'm eating a protein bar.
There it is. Look at that. Go ahead. I'm watching.
I already did.
Oh, you did.
You just couldn't see it.
Van Eck Bitcoin Futures ETF ends first day with 9.6 million under management, even as Bitcoin dips 5%. Now, this is interesting. That right when this futures launched, we did get a dip in Bitcoin. So there might be something to that possibly, but the ETF launched today, the futures ETF for Van Eck. We do know their spot has been denied by the SEC, which we believed was going to happen for sure. Over leveraged traders flushed out. Bullish market structure and tax. So this is what we were talking about earlier. The charts still tend to be looking pretty good. The crypto market saw heavy selling across the board and a deleveraging event that followed the signing of a new infrastructure bill, targets users in the U.S. Now, I talked about last night on our 3-minute crypto wrap-up video about Ted Cruz coming up with a new bill. Did I tell you? I did tell you. I said hello to Ted Cruz in the Venetian.
You did.
He literally was walking by me with his handlers. I was like, there's Ted Cruz. Hello, Ted Cruz.